Sum number 7, second subdivision. Prove that sin theta into cos theta, curly bracket, sin of pi by 2 minus theta into cosecant theta plus cos of pi by 2 minus theta into secant theta equal to 1. So first you remember these two formulas. So sin of 90, so pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta, cos of pi by 2 minus theta is sin theta. So sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So we have to take the left hand side, sin theta into cos theta, within the bracket sin 90 minus theta is cos theta into cosecant theta plus cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta into secant theta. So which implies sin theta into cos theta, brackets, open brackets, cos theta, conversion of cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. So reciprocal of sin theta is cosecant theta. Fix sin theta 1 by cos theta. Reciprocal of cos theta is secant theta. So sin theta into cos theta, open bracket, cos theta by sin theta plus sin theta by cos theta. So LCM sin theta into cos theta, open bracket, cross multiply. So cos into cos, cos square theta, sin into sin, sin square theta by sin theta, cos theta. So already the formula is cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 by sin theta into cos theta. So this sin theta cos theta, since sin theta cos theta is cancelled, the final answer is 1. Next sum, question number 8. Cos 510 degree, cos 330 degree, sin 390 degree, cos 120 degree equal to minus 1. So first you take cos 510 degree is cos 360 plus 150. So 360 plus 150 is 510. So to remember this formula, cos 360 plus theta is cos theta. In the theta place is 150. So cos of 360 plus theta is cos theta. So the cos theta value is cos 150 degree. Again, 150 degree can be split into cos 180 minus 30. 180 minus 30 is 150. So this is theta. So cos of 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So minus cos theta value is 30 degree. So cos 30 is already known the table in the 10th standard. So cos of 30 degrees minus root 3 by 2. So cos 510 degrees minus root 3 by 2. Next one, cos 330 degrees, cos 360 minus 30. Cos 360 minus theta is cos theta. So cos 360 minus 30 degrees, cos 30 degree. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So cos 30, final answer is root 3 by 2. Next, sin 390 degrees, sin 360 plus 30 degree. Sin 360 plus theta is sin theta. So sin 360 plus theta value is 30. So sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Next value, cos 120 degree is cos 180 minus 60. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So minus cos 60 is minus 1 by 2. Finally, straight away substitute all the values in this left hand side expression. Cos 510 degree, cos 330 degree plus sin 390 degree, cos 120 degree. So cos 510 degrees minus root 3 by 2, cos 330 is root 3 by 2 plus sin 390 is 1 by 2 and cos 120 is minus 1 by 2. So minus root 3 by 2 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So minus 3 by 4 and minus 1 by 4. So minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4 by 4 equal to minus 1. Hence the problem.